What is up, guys? It's Parodies and Reactions HD here. I come back to you with another video. Nor parody, nor reaction, just a video. I'm doing a demo for you guys. Yeah, yeah. I was about to say American Truck Simulator, but Euro Truck Simulator 2 is a demo. All you gotta do is download this thing right here, Steam, and get you some demos. I fully completed the demo. I have 2 profiles on here, and I have 3 profiles on Euro Truck Simulator. So I can't get enough of these games. They're so realistic. I want it so bad. So hold on, Micah, turn it down, please. I'm back. Okay. I never was gone. Yeah. So, oh. Okay. So let's get started. See if I can. Oh, I can't move you guys. And see, I have 3 profiles. I don't know which one I should keep though. When I do buy the game, I don't know which one I should keep. Cause this one is going actually well, but I did more progress with it. So, but let's continue on the one that I just started playing. Dang, my map is gonna be right where you guys are. Right where y'all can see me. So, I am currently in Paris. I want to go over here past the toll. So, okay, so I don't want to go. I need something. Should I go to Dover? Yeah, I want to show you guys what it's like to get on a boat or a train. Maybe actually. So. Dang, I can't see the map. Okay, hold on, guys. So it is 5-6. Yep. I have to cancel it. What's going on? What? Okay, so I have to quit the game so I can move you guys somewhere else. See, this automatically pops up. Where should I put it? I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Okay. I was zoned out. It's Oh, they still have it. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I actually want us. Yes, I want to go across the stadium. I can do a Volvo. Volvo sounds good. But I want to go to London. Okay, so we're gonna go back over here, and we're gonna go to Dover. Check it out. See, the map is right here where you guys can see me at. So turn on the truck and headlights. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Okay. Hmm. See, usually I would be a reckless head, but I'm waiting for it. Okay, I have to position back the camera and then go. You see how difficult that is? Oh, red light. Why is there a red light right outside? You see my mirror? The truck is almost on the curb. Hey, car, wait for me. Car, hold up. Hold up, man. Hold on. Oh, I'm all. Matter of fact, yes, I need to get in fast. Oh, no, I don't. Because I need to go through a roundabout. Am I going through a toll? I'm going through a toll, guys. I'm going through 2 tolls. Oh my gosh, I have to go on the train this time. That is so cool. Okay. So let's. Oh, I have to get gas. Hey, car. Yeah, my horn is honking. Beep. I forgot to turn the braking intensity down. Because these cars be cutting me off. Okay. I'm so reckless with her. Y'all should have saw me with my other profiles. I was reckless. Surprised I didn't even leveled up. Okay. Parking brake. Oh, never mind. Oh, really? Are you serious? Go! Go now. Thank you. Looking at you guys. I'm not looking at the road. Okay. While I'm thinking about it, this is actually a reaction. A reaction to a demo. But a first look. Yeah, it's a reaction. Yeah, it's a reaction. Slow down. Aw. Okay. I cannot drive. Parking brake. See, in Atlanta, people put their parking brakes on if it's a long stop. So yeah. Okay. I automatically put my parking brake on if I'm stopping. The last time I went through a toll, it was a major traffic jam. So, oh, I need to get over. Okay, let me. Thank you. Well, there. Come on, truck, turn with me. I'm by myself on this lonely highway. Looks dark already. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Yay, guys, we're alone. Some good music. Okay, so I don't know what the speed limit is, but I would rather play American Truck Simulator because they have a little red they have a little red circle and it's right in the middle and it shows the speed limit. Yeah, 2 numbers. And they don't have that in Euro Truck Simulator, so I'm just going any speed limit right now. What is happening? Oh, I'm inclining. Oh man, this is a very large building. Oh my gosh. Look at this. How is that truck getting fast? No, you're gonna stay with me. Oh, that's probably because I have a trailer and he doesn't. So I'm gonna let him pass. That's now. Just drive straight. I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. Toll is coming up. Oh, I feel like it's a major traffic jam. Why am I still on 28? Should I go where the truck is? Or there's an empty spot right there? Okay, the game is glitching now. Oh, the retard is activated. Okay, guys. Why did that heat just ruin my video? Hold on, guys. Hello. Oh no. I don't need this. This is where you guys sleep if you guys are laying. This is where you sleep. If you know that already, I'm so sorry. But yeah. For the beginners. I need to get over. Move. Don't do it. Don't do it. You saw that? 12%. Bunch of damage. Watch him get in front of me and cut me off. See? Yup. Watch when I hit 90, I'm gonna be past you. Never mind. You're going super fast. Don't do it. I have road rage. $91. Okay, 85. It's like a roller coaster. Why are you speeding up? Oh. I didn't know you were wearing it, so I'll figure that. Huh? Oh. What is that what you took in my home? Oh. So, when I go for a shower with mommy, I can't get snacks. When you go, you get snacks. I'm recording it. I don't give a fuck what you recording, okay? Good. Alright. I'm back, guys. I'm not. You know, it's hard sometimes. Yes. It's hard sometimes. I do know 21 Pilots. I know all his songs. Marcus, only because I don't know 21 Savage doesn't mean I don't know 21 Pilots. Oh my gosh! Bye, trucks. See what I have to deal with every day. I was about to crash. Oh, I need gas. Bars. You're so petty for that. Okay, I can finally get some gas. By the way, I'm driving with a keyboard, so if you see me swerving and stuff, that's my keyboard. There's a truck behind me ready to run. That is so cool. Hold on. Is he gonna go? He's gonna get gas. He is getting gas, guys. Wait, I can't see him. He's at the gas station getting gas. Another toll. I wanted to raid while I'm recording for you guys. Is there a problem? Yes. No, I'm not talking to you.
Who's talking?
I was talking to my camera. Hold on. Cause it seems like somebody has a problem with me today, guys.
Why are you talking to your camera? That's not good.
Marcus. Matter of fact, guys, go follow Montana.
What's that?
Marcus.
Y'all, with my cords. Get away from the cords. I'm there, you're going. I'm there, you're going. Out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I thought. Stop. My damn wrist.
I knew that was gonna happen. Now I'm gonna have to visit service just because of 17% damage. There goes the train station. When you guys see it, I think it's on my right, but if you see it on the left. Marcus has no girlfriend. Sorry. Anyways, go subscribe to my brother Montana. What he does is so much. More good, more good. Shut the hell up. I don't know which one should I go on. I'm gonna go on this one. It's about to rain. I feel it. I forgot I have to drive on the other side of the road. Alright, so on my way to the dealership. I said the dealership. On my way to my destination. So, well, not that far. Let me zoom in to see how really far it is. Well, it's not that far. Yep, not that far. Let me see what it says on it. 35 minutes. I'm going to break that down now. What? You see how I drive? I just did that so I'm gonna get the car. I'm not good with this. My speedy. Oh, 70. I need to get over. I'm getting behind this car. Thank you guys. Oh, I can see him on there. Get it out. Should I park? Yeah.
Oh yeah, bitch.
Did I do good? If it's green, it's okay. I don't know what I got because my camera's off. It's probably a reasonable or good version. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Yeah.